Magandang araw kabola. So may mga malalaking trade nga po na naganap kabola in the past week kabola. At dun nga natabunan na isa pong malaki pong rumor na nilabas din po ni Boss Snow Badwa kabola. Yun ang pag-uusapan natin. So pa hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So ito muna kabola, nanalang Meralco Bolts kontra Barangay Ginebra. So of course, a rivalry game ito kabola. So big win by the Meralco Bolts. So of course, nasa middle po sila ng standings. And remember, they are the defending champion. And Ginebra currently still number 1 dun sa pinaka-latest natin na power ranking kabola. So ang isang ano pa dito kabola, noteworthy kabola, is that si Coach Tim Cone kabola na thrown out, no? Once in a while lang po thrown out dyan si Coach Tim Cone kabola. Dun mo makita kabola na ang Ginebra is still on progress pa po yung kanila pong pag-aayos for this tournament. No Abueva in their first game kabola. So anong nangyari kay Calvin Abueva? Ayaw ba niya maglaro po sa Northport Batang Pier? So hindi naman po sinabi ng Northport kung bakit hindi po nakalaro si Abueva kabola, pero mukhang hindi naman daw injury kabola, and could be connected kabola sa isa sa mga family member po niya kabola. Now Calvin Abueva, of course, we are actually interested to see him play for Northport. We are interested to see him play a big role, no? We are hoping, of course, knowing nga po na siya po ay pinalit sa kanilang number 1 scorer na si Navarro, na ang magiging role po ni Abueva sa Northport is malaki-laki kabola, di ba? At din natin makikita kabola, is still the same guy. That will be the question now kabola, di ba? I mean he's not the same guy already, pero can still be at least a starting caliber player. Yan yung tanong ngayon dito po kay Calvin Abueva. Chris Porter kabola, alam nyo ba kung bakit siya pinapirma daw? Sabi po ni Coach Yeng Giao. Sabi ni Coach Yeng Giao, dahil gwapo daw kabola. So ayan, talaga ito si Coach Yeng Giao, no? Meme worthy. So kung gusto mo pang maglaro sa Rain or Shine, dapat daw pogi ka kabola. So tingin nyo, pogi ba itong si Chris Porter kabola? Kayo na po ang humusga. Now, after po mag-trade kabola ni Navarro sa Magnolia, may post din pala si Snow Badwa kabola. So ang statement niya kabola is that ito nga daw po Magnolia is the chosen team to try and stop TNT kabola. So kaya nila hinayaan na makuha nila si Navarro. Is that the point kabola? Now, I have kind of a big question for that. First, the decision-making process in deciding that, knowing that ang Magnolia is kilala nga po as intro boys. Bakit sila intro boys kabola? It means that sa umpisa lang magaling, di ba? Yun yung pinupuntos nila. And of course, ilang ulit na yan na top 3 sila sa elimination round, tapos hindi man lang makapasok po sa final. So, kabola, the reality is, yeah, they are playing very well now, pero walang kasiguro doon yan, especially po in the playoffs. Pero of course, the acquisition of Navarro will be a big thing. Pero ang tanong dyan, can they build the chemistry right away? Yan yung big question mark ngayon, diba? Kasi if they cannot build the chemistry kabola, baka maging issue pa yan kabola. Now may post ito nga si Snow Badwa kabola, may comment siya, no? So ito nga kasi si Coach Tim Cone prenace ito pong si Japet Aguilar, pero sabi ni Boss Snow Badwa, naku, baka ma-trade to, baka lang ha, kabado ako sa mga ganyang linya ni Coach Tim Cone. May maalala ba kayo na ganun kabola, na pinipraise ni Coach Tim Cone kabola, tinetrade niya? Parang wala naman tayo nakikita ang ganong pattern sa kanya. Pero we know Snow Badwa, of course, hindi niya yan ipopost kung wala po siyang naririnig kabola. Pero ang akin lang, Japet Aguilar is currently, I think, their best player in this tournament, diba? Is their top scorer at 19 points kabola. This guy is playing very well even at his age, pero of course alam naman natin yung rason, because of his height and still athleticism na acceptable level kabola. Pero overall, of course, alam naman natin kabola na Coach Tim Cone is a daredevil as a coach, diba? If he thinks there's need for a move kabola, siya yung klase ng coach that he can do it kabola. So ganun din malamang ang case dito. If he thinks that trading Japet Aguilar for something will net them a much better player, I'm pretty sure he can do that. Kabakabal sa bagay mo, kaya bang i-trade po ng Ginebra ito pong si Japet Aguilar? Comment lang po sa baba.